Hi, welcome to BrickSmart. I'm the YouTube girl 𝐒𝐿, and today I'm gonna to announce the luckiest person in BrickSmart June lucky draw. This time, I'm using Well Spin from free online webpage, same as the way in last month. As you can see, in this month, there are 635 participants who valid in this lucky draw. Thank you for all the participants who support our BrickSmart all the time. Now, I will click the center of the spin and the winner will random pick from those participants' name. Here we go! 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to 𝐒𝐿𝐻𝐿𝐿. You are the winner in BrickSmart June lucky draw and win this 31097 Lego Creator 3-in-1 Townhouse Pet Shop and Cafe from BrickSmart. Do contact us within 48 hours to get your confirmation for the gift. Once again, thank you for all the participants. For those who lost this time, no worries. Our July lucky draw is going on. Just claim your lucky ticket from our platform by buying anything from us. Our July lucky draw will be 10269 Lego Creator Expert 𝐻𝐿𝐻 Fatboy. Do like and share this video, and the most important thing is subscribe our BrickSmart YouTube channel. Open the bell button. After done these steps, comment congratulations in comment area. I will random give out 50 pieces extra lucky ticket for the commenters. Each person only will get one. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.